Welcome to Valkyrie Simple Finance. Understanding before investing. Most people try to fix their finances by focusing on one thing: more income, better investments, less spending. But personal finance only works when the system works together. This series was never about quick wins. It was about building a system that works consistently over time. It starts with control, understanding where your money goes, building a realistic budget. Without control, nothing else holds. Then comes safety. An emergency fund protects you from setbacks. Without safety, progress is fragile. Next is awareness, understanding debt, credit, interest rates. These determine how money flows and how it can work against you. Then comes action, reducing and eliminating debt, freeing up cash flow, turning pressure into progress. Only then does growth begin. Saving builds stability. Investing builds the future. Together, they create momentum. And finally, time. Compound interest rewards patience. Inflation tests discipline. Time amplifies every decision. When these pieces work together, something changes. Money becomes predictable. Decisions become clearer. Stress reduces. You're no longer reacting. You're in control. Most people skip steps. They invest too early, ignore risk, or rely on income alone. That's why progress often doesn't last. Here's the rule: stability first, growth second, always. Now that you understand how personal finance works, the next step is learning how investing really works. Not speculation, not guessing, understanding. Personal finance isn't about perfection. It's about clarity, consistency, and time. Get those right, and everything else becomes easier. Start the next playlist when you're ready, and keep building, one step at a time.